If you're looking for a roofing contractors in Clarksville, Tennessee, then look no further and call now, 931-472-4200. Call for roofing contractors in Clarksville, Tennessee. You can just call right now. Call now at 931-472-4200. Thank you.